already appreneurs, Christopher Wilson, and I'm back. And I went ahead and set up my newsletter. Um, Now, real quick, I'm gonna show you what I did actually. Um, this is a WYSIWYG tab, okay? And if you look in here, you'll see it says newsletter. Join our newsletter for exclusive Candy Crush Saga help, cheats, tips, and updates. Okay, and when a user clicks on that tab that says newsletter, they enter their name and email address, and what will show up is the clickbank product that we are promoting, which is this right here. Okay. Now, like I said, I don't know if you, some of you, well, I do know some of you are coming from the internet marketing world. Okay, and if you are, you pretty much know how to set up an autoresponder uh, and build a list. Uh, I will tell you this is the quickest way to build a list because if you get a hot app, people are going to want to sign up for a newsletter. Okay, inside your app. Okay, like I said, my list has grown to like I know at least 1,000 people since I added an autoresponder in my Injustice Gods Among Us app. But real quick, the process is simple. I'm not going to go into detail about it, but I do have some videos on how to set up an AWeber autoresponder account. I'll put a link in the description box where you can get it for $1. There's a $1 trial. Okay, so when you go ahead and set up for that $1 trial, um, basically it looks like this. Let me show you. And I'm going to show you this, but I'm not going to show you too much. But basically, you go to the you set it up. Let's let that load. Okay, we'll go ahead and let that go. Okay, I'm going to try and show you. Uh-oh. Okay, see if I can sign in. But yeah, like I said, as far as AWeber go, I like AWeber because it's the easiest to work with, and I've had it for years. Okay, so that is my pick. Now let's just take a look at my list. Okay, subscribers today, only so far 9 today, 14 yesterday, one person unsubscribed. But if I just go through the whole list here from various products, from the Injustice app, let's see, a total of 117, 76 still with me, and some unsubscribed. With the Green App Machine, 82, and let's see, from Rippling, got some people in that Rippling. From my weight loss list, 116, but total of 1,164. Which is not a lot, which is really, it's a lot if you don't have any. But I know marketers with giant lists like Russell Brunson, Stephen Pierce, 500,000 or more. But you simply create your list, create your messages, and the message, it just follows, sign up for our newsletter for exclusive cheats, tips, and updates. You go ahead and make your form out. I'll go to the form part. I can show you this real quick. Just say, for example, this injustice form. And actually, AWeber changed their back office, so this is kind of new to me. But basically, I use the basic form. Okay. Use the basic. It'll pop up. Okay, I guess it won't pop up. But anyway, up top here, you get the different formats. Okay, yeah, here we go, templates. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So what you do, just hit go to popular, hit basic, stretch this out to like 340. I got that at 333, 340. Okay, sort of fill up your app space, sort of fill this space up like so. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and save it. Okay, put your go to step 2 and put your affiliate link or your squeeze page, depending on what you're doing. Put that right there. Make sure that's your affiliate link. Make sure your affiliate link is right there. Go to the next step, save it, go to the next step, get your ID, like say for example this form here, and then you take this HTML and you go to your WYSIWYG, click HTML, and I'm going to show you this real quick, and you're going to paste that code. Okay, so that's my code there. I pasted that, update it, and put this on the top there. So what you have to do is like, well, I didn't mean to do that. But anyway, you might have to click that down, space that down, and that join our newsletter for exclusive Candy Crush Saga updates and so forth. Now, let me show you what happens when somebody fills in this test best products. Let's see. Let's try that one. Okay, so they want to sign up for the newsletter and the updates. What happens is they do that. It's going to take them to our affiliate product, and this product, I believe, is $27 from ClickBank. And what happens is if they purchase that product, they will get you will get $19. Okay, all right. So I just want to show you that. So that shows up inside the tab actually. Okay. Now that's the product that we're marketing. Okay, right there. Now let me show you something. This is what I'm going to do, and like I said, this is amazing how this is all working out. I got a good vibe about this app. But I'm going to grab my affiliate link. And here's a word of advice. Whenever you go to a ClickBank product, always do this, because you're always going to get a better deal. This is my affiliate link. And the way you get your affiliate link is you click promote. You're going to be taken to a page that looks something like this. Enter your affiliate nickname, a tracking ID. I just put app for mine. Click create. It's going to give you a link. Okay. Matter of fact, let's do it real quick. Let's say app. In-app. Well, how about in-app? In-app. Okay. Do that. You're going to get a link. You take that link, and that's your affiliate link. Okay. So you take that affiliate link, and like I said, this is something that you do each time you go to a product. Now, watch carefully. Okay, this is the product, Candy Crush Secrets. Okay, your affiliate link will be right there. Okay, right there. Okay. All right, so let's stop that real quick. Now, always do this, y'all. Take note. Always, if you don't like the price, or if you do like the price, it doesn't matter. But do this anyway. This I taught you how to get the green app machine for a $1 7-day trial. But always, it says $27. So guess what? Exit out of that. Now when it does that, all you do is stay on this page, because another upsell is going to come. It's kind of like those commercials, for TV, made for TV commercials. They say, but wait, you get this such and such, such. Okay, so guess what we got here, y'all? Learn the top 3 secrets that will skyrocket your levels to another galaxy. Thank you for visiting our website. As a token of our appreciation, please fill out the email address so you can get the top 3 secrets. So that way, they're capturing your email address, okay? But guess what I'm getting? I'm getting this guide. What do you think I'm going to do with this guide? That's content. What do you think I'm going to do with that content? Put it inside my app, right? Right? See? I'm looking out for you. Okay? So that's what you do. Now, it says you're almost done. So I'm going to check my email. Okay? Okay, I know. Okay, but guess what? Now I'm going to get that guide. I'm going to use that guide for some content. Now I'm not going to use it now. I'm going to go ahead and finish out the app build. But I'm going to get that guide and use that. Matter of fact, I may have to use it for some content. But just for the sake of speeding through the process, I'm going to get it later. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, so let's get that guide. Oh, that's mine. Is that mine? Oh, yeah. That's what I just filled out. That's mine. But anyway, let me get the guide that they sent me. May have went to my. Let's see. Oh shoot. Okay, well, it hasn't come yet. I did use my. Let's see which one I use. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, it should be on the way. We're going to go ahead and move on. Now, so that's how you want to put that newsletter in there. So let's go ahead and move on. Oh, you know what? I want to change that icon. Before I move on, I want to change that icon. Let's make that a let's see, we're going to go along with our newsletter. Let's go to other. Okay. And let's get something like an envelope. That's usually what we do there. Let's open an envelope. No, not open envelope. Let's see. Well, let's see, something for a newsletter. Usually something like that. Okay. That'll be our newsletter. Okay, so let's save. Okay. And save and reload. And we're going to go to, I'm going to return. Okay. Now, that's my newsletter. Now, this I was testing out a few things earlier. I'm going to change that in a minute. Now, just want to let you know at this point, remember, we have up to 5 RSS feeds, okay? Up to 5 web pages we can add, okay? And up to 10 WYSIWYG modules that we could add, or tabs that we can add, okay? Now, I got my scratch pad out and I got to configure some things. What do I want to put, for these other content in these tabs? Now, one thing I definitely want to do, I do want to add a web page, and I'm going to put our ClickBank product, our ClickBank product. Let's put it up here. Okay. We're going to use that for one of our web. Well, better yet, we could use that as one of our WYSIWYG, because let's see. Okay, I tell you what, I'm going to try it both ways. I'm going to try it in the WYSIWYG, because, and I'm going to tell you why. See, when the WYSIWYG, when that tab opens up, your advertising from AdMob continues to roll inside that app. See, when they switch to a web page or an RSS feed, it takes them off of the app and onto an external browser. Okay, so therefore, you're losing money in a sense because your ads are not running. See, in this game, you get paid by the impressions, or by how many times your ad shows. Okay, so we want to keep them inside our app. So if we keep them on that tab, that ad will still be rolling at the bottom or at the top, depending on where you place your ad. I place mine at the bottom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it in the web page. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Place it in the web page. And let's go to our web page right here. And let's put our affiliate link in there. I'm going to call that resources. Resources, yeah. So that'll be extra resources that they can check out if they want to continue their Candy Crush education, right? Okay. So we're going to change that icon again. Matter of fact, I may change that to Candy Crush resources. Okay, so we're going to go with something, icon that looks resourceful. Well, how about a light bulb? Okay, so let's go with that. And let's see if it pops up. Yeah, good. Okay, it pops up. All right, so that's resources. Let's see. Can I stop that? Okay. All right. So we got that. Now see, as I was saying before, with the web page, it's going to take them off of your app. It's going to go to an external browser. Okay. But I'm going to do this with a WYSIWYG also. We're going to see how this looks too. And actually, I'm doing some tweaking here and some testing. Okay, live testing. Okay, and we're going to see how this works out. Okay, as soon as my browser catches up to me, I need a computer with a super fast processor. We're going to call this, let's see, the other one was resources. Let's call this I just seen this somewhere before. Repurpose. I don't know what it meant, but it makes you want to click. Repurpose. Okay. And I'm going to click HTML. I'm going to put my affiliate link right in between here, between these iframes, like so. I'm going to see what happens. Okay, and update, and let's see how that looks. Okay, it looks like it loaded. Let's save it and reload. Repurpose. There it is. Okay, interesting. Okay, so we're going to see how that looks. And what I may do. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, let's save and reload. The video is running in both of these. Okay. Let's save. Alright. I'm going to see how that works out. That's going to be interesting. Okay, because it's loading in both of these. I want to change that icon. Let me help and do that. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get our icon real quick. More delicious food. How about a pie? Let's make that a pie. Okay. All right. So let's go return to our tabs list. Okay. And what I may end up doing is either deleting the web page for our clickbait product or the WYSIWYG. Okay. Now let's get into some good stuff here. We need some content. In other words, some help. Either some help videos or some help documents or help text with images. So what we're going to do, let's go to our template. Okay. And this is our iframe. We'll continue that. Resources. We did our resources. That's our ClickBank product in the WYSIWYG, and we also did it in the web page. Okay, repurpose. We did that. Trending. This is when I use what's called a trend spotter widget. We'll skip that for right now, but this is our ClickBank product. Okay, we put that for resources actually. But yeah, that's a ClickBank product. We didn't have a quiz. Links, we don't need any other links. Now, it would be good if we could add a forum and a podcast. But before I do that, so we got questions. We don't need a soundboard. We don't have that. Quotes. We don't need quotes. Casting. We don't need casting. Ebook, audio. We don't need that right now either. So I want to get some good old-fashioned content right now. So I'm going to go back to my my RSS feeds. This is the YouTube RSS feed. Okay, that's the template. All you do is put the search term right there. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to YouTube. And see, there's a method to my madness. I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to close all these. Let's go to YouTube. And Candy Crush. Okay, let me dismiss that. I should go ahead and reset the Candy Crush levels. Okay, now look at this. I want to get all these. I want to make all these either a tab, a video, or something. So I'm gonna write these down. I'm gonna write these down real quick. Let's see. Level 65. That's first. 97. That's first. 33. 29. 30. 23. 70. 79. 135. And 38. Okay. Now, that's I think that's 10 entries. But let's finish typing that in. Level. Okay, look at that. Still the same. Candy Crush level. Look at that. Alright, let's start with level 65. Okay. Candy Crush 65, 65, 65. Okay, we want to make that an RSS feed. Okay. Want to make that an RSS feed. So let's grab this keyword. Okay. Go to my template. Put this right here for now. I'm going to grab my template. Right there. I'm going to go to Firefox. Okay. And let's type that in. Or paste that in there. And let's get our keyword. Candy Crush level 65 and see what we get. Now, keep in mind that I do have templates for images, blogs, podcasts, but I feel right now we need some good content to keep our users engaged. Okay, so let's see what we get here. Okay, that's 79. That shouldn't be there. I don't want to see that. 77. 65. That's what I want. 65. It's giving me all these other things that I don't want. 65 again. Okay. Interesting. Okay. All right. We're going to go ahead and fill out this one, and then we're going to go ahead and take a short break. So let's get that. Let's go back and add an RSS feed. Okay. So to add another RSS feed, click the plus. It's going to come up RSS feed. Let's click that. Save and continue. Okay. And where are we at? Blog feeds. It'll say blog feed. Okay. And plus that's the one we just added because it has the X there. Okay. Let's put the URL there. We're going to say level. Let's capitalize that. Level 65 help. And let's change that icon to, let's make it let me see some good. Let's go to food. Okay. Go to cookie again. Okay. Same continue. Okay. Let's see. I don't like that where it says 79. And I don't see any images. I like to see images. Anyway, we're gonna go with that. So I'm gonna save it. And I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. It's getting good.